How to take care of your skin. After 60 intro. The truth about aging skin. Narrator. Soft, encouraging tone. They say time leaves its mark, and in many ways that's true. But what if those marks, the lines, the texture, the softness of aging skin weren't flaws, but signs of a life fully lived? After 60, skincare becomes less about vanity and more about well-being. It's not about trying to look 25 again. It's about feeling confident, healthy, and radiant in your own skin, at any age. If you're watching this, it means you care. You want to protect your skin. You want to nurture it. And most importantly, you want to honor your body in this beautiful chapter of life. In today's video, we're diving deep into the science, the rituals, and the lifestyle choices that help your skin thrive after 60. Whether you're already 60, approaching it, or caring for a loved one who is, this guide is for you. Get comfortable, take a breath, and let's begin the journey to timeless skin. Chapter 1. Understanding your skin. After 60. Narrator. First, let's understand what actually happens to your skin after the age of 60. As we age, our skin goes through many changes, both visible and invisible. These changes are natural, but understanding them is the first step to caring for them. Collagen and elastin. Decline. Collagen is what keeps our skin firm. Elastin helps it stay elastic and bounce back. After 60, collagen production drops dramatically. The result? Skin that sags more easily and wrinkles that deepen. Thinner epidermis. The outermost layer of our skin, the epidermis, becomes thinner with age. This makes the skin more delicate, more prone to injury, and slower to heal. Dryness increases. Oil glands become less active as we get older. That means skin tends to dry out more often, making it feel itchy, rough, or flaky. Age spots and pigmentation. Decades of sun exposure finally show up in the form of liver spots, uneven pigmentation, or darker patches on your face, hands, and arms. Slower cell turnover. Younger skin regenerates quickly. But after 60, the cell turnover rate slows down significantly. This leads to duller skin and a buildup of dead cells, less fat and muscle support. Skin loses the fat layer underneath, making it look less plump and more hollow, especially around the cheeks, eyes, and hands. Narrator. Sounds scary? Don't worry. Every single one of these changes can be supported, naturally, gently, and effectively. Let's see how. Chapter 2. Daily Skincare Routine. Your new best friend. Narrator. Now that we understand why your skin behaves differently after 60, let's talk about what you can do every day to love it. Back. Skincare after 60 is not about a dozen expensive products. It's about gentle, consistent care. Here's the ultimate daily routine designed specifically for mature skin. Morning routine. Step 1. Gentle cleanser. Ditch the foaming, alcohol-based cleansers. They strip away your skin's natural oils. Instead, use a creamy, hydrating cleanser that removes dirt without drying you out. Step 2. Alcohol-free toner. A good toner helps restore your skin's pH and preps it for moisture. Look for ingredients like rose water, hyaluronic acid, and chamomile. Step 3. Antioxidant serum. Serums with vitamin C, green tea, or niacinamide can protect your skin from free radical damage and brighten dull areas. Step 4. Moisturizer with SPF. Yes, SPF is non-negotiable. Even if you're mostly indoors, UV rays sneak through windows. Choose a moisturizer with SPF 30 or higher and reapply if outdoors. Night routine. Step 1. Cleanse again. You don't want to sleep with dirt, sweat, or makeup. A gentle evening cleanse is a must. Step 2. Night cream or sleeping mask. Choose. A richer moisturizer at night. something with peptides, ceramides, or bakuchiol, a natural retinol alternative. Step 3. Eye cream. Mature skin benefits greatly from eye creams with peptides or caffeine to reduce puffiness and support elasticity. Step 4. Facial oil. Optional. For dry skin, consider a natural facial oil like rosehip, jojoba, or squalane. Narrator. Stick to this routine for 4-6 weeks, and you'll begin to see and feel a difference. Skin becomes softer, more hydrated, and more vibrant. Chapter 3. Nutrition that nourishes from within. Narrator. Skincare isn't just about what you put on your skin. It's also about what you feed your skin from the inside. Let's talk about nutrition, because a glowing complexion begins in the kitchen. Superfoods for skin over 60. 1. Berries. Packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals and support collagen. 2. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and arugula are loaded with skin-supporting vitamins like A, C, and E. 3. Fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, and mackerel offer omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and boost skin elasticity. 4. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds are rich in vitamin E and healthy fats. 5. Bone broth, a natural source of collagen which supports firmness and hydration. Stay hydrated. Dehydration makes skin look saggy and dull. Aim for 68 glasses of water daily. Herbal teas and water-rich foods like cucumbers and melons also help. What to avoid? Excess sugar promotes glycation, which damages collagen. Too much caffeine can dehydrate you. Alcohol dries skin and dilates blood vessels. Processed foods cause inflammation. Narrator. Your skin is a mirror of your diet. Treat your body kindly, and your skin will return the favor. Chapter 4. Protecting your skin. Everyday essentials. Narrator. Even the best skincare products can't help if we don't protect our skin daily from hidden enemies, sunlight, pollution, and even stress. Sun protection. Sunscreen is essential, even in your 60s and beyond. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher. Wear sunglasses, wide-brimmed hats, and protective clothing when outside. Pollution shield. Air pollution speeds up skin aging. Antioxidant serums and thorough cleansing at night help remove pollutants. Stress management. Chronic stress releases cortisol, which can lead to breakouts, dryness, and inflammation. Practice yoga, meditation, deep breathing, or simply take time for yourself each day. Sleep hygiene. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Use a silk pillowcase to reduce friction. Sleep slightly. Elevated to reduce puffiness. Chapter 5. What to avoid. After 60. Narrator. When it comes to aging skin, what you don't do can be just as important as what you do. Harsh exfoliants. Skip gritty scrubs. Use enzyme or acid-based exfoliants like lactic acid, once or twice a week at most. Alcohol-based products. They strip. Natural oils and increase dryness. Heavy fragrance. Artificial fragrances can irritate mature skin. Overcomplicating. More products don't mean better skin. Stick to what works and avoid constantly switching. Neglecting the neck and hands. These areas show age quickly. Treat them with the same love you give your face. Chapter 6. Self-care rituals that make a difference. Narrator. Skincare is also about how you treat yourself. These small rituals can make a big difference. Facial massage boosts circulation, reduces puffiness, and relaxes facial muscles. Use light pressure with your fingers or a jade roller. Deep breathing and mindfulness. Just 5 minutes of breathing deeply can lower cortisol levels and improve blood flow to your skin. Pamper Days. Set aside a weekly spa hour, light a candle, apply a hydrating mask, soak your feet, and relax. Affirmation Mirror. Time. Every morning, look in the mirror and say, I honor my skin, I cherish my years, I am beautiful. It might feel strange at first, but your mind believes what you repeat. Chapter 7. Skin Love is Self-Love, Narrator. At 60, skincare isn't about stopping time, it's about celebrating it. The freckles from sunlit childhoods, the lines from laughter, and tears. The texture that tells a life well lived. This is your legacy. You are not trying to erase your past. You're preserving your grace. Remember, the goal is not perfection, it's connection with yourself. So be gentle, be joyful, be curious about your beauty. Let your skincare routine be a love letter to yourself. Every morning, every evening, every single day. Outro, a new chapter of radiance. Narrator. You've spent your life giving to others. Now it's time to give back to yourself. Your skin has carried you through decades. It deserves your kindness. Follow the routine. Eat well. Protect what's precious. And most of all, speak kindly to the reflection in the mirror. Because after 60, beauty isn't just skin deep, it's soul deep. If this video touched you, please leave a comment below and share your skincare journey. Subscribe for more uplifting, empowering videos just like this. You're radiant, you're wise, and you are exactly where you need to be. See you in the next one.